Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the replay feature on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to practice your trading strategies without the pressure of live markets, or just review how price action unfolded in the past, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to replay charts, adjust the speed, change the time intervals, and even simulate real buy and sell trades to sharpen your backtesting skills. Let's jump right in. First, up at the very top of your TradingView window, you'll notice a button labeled Replay. It might have a little rewind icon next to it. Go ahead and click that. This feature basically allows you to time travel back to any point in history on your chart, so you can see how the candles and prices developed without the benefit of knowing what comes next. Think of it like a movie scene. You can rewind to the beginning and watch it play out at your own pace. Once you've activated replay mode, you'll notice that your cursor changes and you can now click anywhere on the chart. Choose a spot where you'd like your replay to begin, maybe a day before a big move or right before an important news event. Just click right on the price bar where you want to start. This is crucial because it determines the point in history where you'll be watching the market unfold, candle by candle, as if you were there in real time. Now take a look toward the bottom of your screen. You'll see a little play button. It might feel a bit like controlling a YouTube video or a music player. Go ahead and click that to start the replay. The chart will begin moving forward one candle at a time, and you'll get to follow the price action as if you're seeing it for the very first time. If it feels a bit slow, don't worry. There's a speed setting right next to the play button. You can ramp up the speed to fast forward through quiet periods or slow it down if you want to analyze each candle more closely. Experiment with the different speeds until you find one that matches your learning style. Another handy feature is the interval selector. This lets you pick exactly how much data you see between each movement. Maybe you want to go candle by candle on the 5-minute chart, or jump through larger intervals if you're reviewing big picture trends. Adjusting the interval makes it so much easier to hone in on the details that matter most to your strategy. Here, where things get really interactive, TradingView lets you simulate trades during your replay session, so say you want to practice when to enter and exit the market. At any point, you can click buy or sell to see how your decision would have panned out under live conditions. It's kind of like paper trading, but you're operating in the past. You get a chance to test your instincts with no real money on the line. Don't worry if you miss the ideal entry or your trade goes the wrong way. This is all about learning, and sometimes the best lessons come from seeing what doesn't work. Once you've made your simulated trade, keep watching until the replay hits your profit or loss target. At the end of each practice trade, TradingView will let you know how you did, sometimes with a little congratulations, if things worked out, or with a prompt encouraging you to try again if they didn't. The point is to keep practicing and refining your strategy, one replay at a time. And that's really all there is to it. The replay feature on TradingView is one of the best tools for anyone serious about improving their skills, so I highly recommend exploring it and playing around with different strategies. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience with replay. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.